Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Shiba Inus are the owners of luxuriously beautiful coats. And along with these coats come a lot of maintenance in the form of brushing, especially during coat blowing time, and vacuuming. Shiba Inus typically shed their undercoats twice a year. During this time, their fur will be everywhere.
Take our lead.
Shibas are loyal and territorial. Shibas tend to really love their owners but not care so much for anyone else. And as a result, they worry a lot about protecting their owners, so they're very territorial. 24 December 2014.
Take our lead.
Shiba Inus can cuddle, but not all of them are particularly fond of it and will be restless. As far as breeding and genetics go, Shiba Inus were originally bred in Japan to be independent dogs originally used to hunt birds in a self-sufficient manner.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.